Action.
Hello and welcome to Luo English Dictionary. Today we are going to be reviewing compound sentences, which is for first grade level, but in Luo.
Good. Really, it's not for first grade level, but it's for level 1 learners, okay? Those were just starting. So I will go ahead and share my screen so that we can be able to work through it. And this is day 6. We are on day 6. And we shall start with I like oranges and I like bananas. So down there you will write like is hero. A and I is a.
Ahero.
Ahero machunga.
I learned that in a video, in a YouTube short that I posted.
Yeah, I saw it got so many views.
Mm-hmm.
To, comma, to ahero,
Wait, so
ahero.
is it like a hero as in one thing or just two?
Yeah, no. Like one thing.
Okay.
Rabolo. Change the color.
Oh yeah, red, right?
Any. Good. Can you say that?
Ahero machunga to ahero rabolo.
Rabolo.
Rabolo. I have a
Rabolo.
question.
Yes.
Why is it comma 2 instead of D?
Oh, if you say, that's a good question. But you can also say ahero machunga gi rabolo.
Mm-hmm.
That means I like oranges and bananas. But because there was I like and I like two of them, that's why I used to.
Okay.
Yes, but otherwise you're correct. You can also say ahero machunga gi rabolo. If you say gi, you do not put the ahero again. You don't put it there.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So it's like what it's like not adding. Wait, no. It's
Can you
like the
type?
normal comma.
Yes. Can you do enter and then type in ahero machunga in the same
Okay.
just below it? Can you type? No, don't remove that. Yes, just write ahero machunga gi rabolo.
Wait, how do I like not make it another thing?
Enter, and then I'll do it for you from this end. Where is it? I have removed the line. Now remove the comma.
Okay.
Yes. So that is another way of saying the same sentence. Ahero machunga gi rabolo.
Okay.
Yep. Good. Question number 2. She is running, but he is walking. Now, the good thing about Luo is that we do not really have tenses about female and male. So we shall assume the she and the he
Mm-hmm.
and use the word o.
Okay.
Oringo. Oringo. To. Or because it's a she, we can say nyako. Nyako cha ringo.
Oops.
Whoa, Tony, calm down now. Nyako cha
Cha.
ringo
Bingo.
to wuoyi cha wuotho. Ai,
Repeat that.
wuoyi cha wuotho. Nyako cha ringo to wuoyi cha wuotho. Yes, so that means that the girl is running and the boy is
But wait.
walking.
Yeah.
Even though the English word is a she and he, English is very definite. If you say she, it means is female and he is a male. But then for the Luo, you have to say girl is walking and boy is what? Girl is running and boy is walking. Okay. Good. Number 3, we can go to the park or we can stay at home. Wanyalo the
Wait, I'm
one.
changing the color.
I already changed it.
Oh,
Yeah, wanyalo, 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 wanyalo the the epap, epap,
a pop.
epap. Space like no. You're correct, but you have to put a space. Epap, and pap.
Oh,
Yes. Yep. Wanyalo the epap. Kata wanyalo dong
huh?
dala. Wanyalo dong dala. Wanyalo dong dala. Dong dong
Oh,
dong ng ng ng
dog.
ng dong dong. You must put an apostrophe. Dong. Nope, not there. Nope, not there. Dong. Nope, there. No,
Where?
at the end.
Oh,
Yes. Can you read that?
dong.
No, read the entire thing.
Oh, one yellow de. Wait, no. One yellow de a pop kata one yellow dong dala.
Say that again.
One yellow de a pop kata one yellow dong dala.
Yep, like that. All right. So the next one, it's raining, so we shall play outside. No, wait. It,
Inside.
it's raining, so we shall play inside. So you say, kot chue, kot, kot, kot,
Wait, no. Repeat what you said first.
kot chue.
Oh,
Yes, kot chue. Koro, wabiro tugo, a, ot, a,
a.
ot. Kot chue. Now chue is chwe. Kot chue koro wabiro tugo ot. Say that.
Koschue koro wabiro tugo e ot.
Ot.
E ot. E ot.
A ot.
E ot.
Say that again. The entire thing.
Koschue koro wabiro tugo e ot.
Yes. He is happy because he got a toy. Now he is a boy, so remember boy was what? You remember?
It was
Scroll up and check.
Wait.
Yes. Woi Omar.
Wait. Repeat that.
Woi. Woi. Woi Omar. Nikech. No, remove the T. Nikech.
Mm?
Nikech. That is not Nikech. Nikech. Remove the T.
Remove the what?
T.
The T?
Yeah. Yes. Woi Omar Nikech oyudo. Oyudo. Gir tugo. Yes. The boy is happy because he got a toy. So gir tugo is just something for playing with.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Say that aloud.
Woi omor nikech oyudo gir tugo.
Again.
Woi omo nikech oyudo gir tugo.
Yep. Number 6.
Mhm.
The cat is sleeping and the dog is barking. Nyambura nindo. Nyambura nindo to guok. Guok gueyo. Guok gueyo. Yes. No, that was correct. Yep. Nyambura nindo to guok gueyo. Can you say that?
Nyambura nindo to guok gueyo.
Again.
Nyambura nindo to guok gueyo.
Yes. So the next one is I want juice, but we only have milk.
Mhm.
Adwaro. Now, juice can be apple juice or orange juice or whatever juice. So adwaro pi machunga to
To
one mana cod, not one
to
managi, one mana cod
mhm.
chak,
Chak
chak.
chak.
Yes, chak is milk, okay?
Mhm.
Say that.
Adwaro pi machunga to one mana kod chak.
No, say that again.
Adwaro pi machunga to one mana kod chak.
Adwaro pi machunga.
Mhm.
Say it. Adwaro pi machunga.
Adwaro pi machunga
So one mana kod chak.
to one mana kod chak.
Adwaro pi machunga.
Adwaro pi machunga to one mana kod chak.
Yes. You can draw a picture or you can color a page.
Mhm.
Inyalo goro picha. Inyalo goro picha. Kata inyalo buko. Buko. Inyalo buko. Buko kalatas. Kalatas. Now, inyalo is I. The E is I. Inyalo, both of them. Inyalo is I, not E. No, no. Inyalo, lo. Yes. Goro picha. That's correct. Kata, inyalo, inyalo. Inyalo buko kalatas. Kalatas, not kalatas. Kalatas.
Kalatas.
Kalatas. Yes, like that. Kalatas is paper. You can
Can you just
color a paper.
like pronounce it in English so it's clearer for me on how to correct it?
I don't know how to do it in English because I'm Luo.
Calatus.
Kalatas?
Calatus and
Kalat
calatus.
Kalatas as in kite.
Yeah.
Kite. As in kite. Come on now.
Yep.
All right, number 9. They played outside and then they ate lunch. Ne gitugo oko. Bange nge bange nge. When you say nge, what do you hear?
Nye.
Bange ne gitugo oko. Bange. Where is the apostrophe? Bange.
Oh, okay.
Yes, like that. Ne gitugo oko. Bange. Uh, ne gichamo. Ne gichamo. Chiemb. Sa auchiel. Say that.
Ne gitugo oko bange ne gichamo chiemb sa awuchiel.
Yes. Negitugo oko.
Mhm.
Bange ne gichamo chiemb sa auchiel. And sa is double A.
Oh yeah, it is.
Ah. Okay.
Okay.
I saw a bird, so I took a picture.
Ah.
Ne. Aneno. Ne. Ne. Aneno. Winyo. Bange.
Mhm.
Nge. Nge. Nge.
Anye.
Ne. Akao. Wo. Akawo. Akawo. Not akwo. Akawo. Picha ne. Picha. Picha. P P P P P P P P P. Picha. 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 Cha. Ne. Yes. Can you say that?
Ne aneno winyo bange ne akawo picha ne.
Picha ne. Not picha
Pich,
ne. Picha
picha
ne.
ne.
Picha ne.
Picha ne.
Picha ne.
Picha ne.
Yes. Number 11.
Mhm.
She brought her doll and I brought my car. Ne okelo doli ne. Doly. Ne okelo doli ne. So akelo gacha. That's it. Can you say that?
Ne okelo dointo akelo gacha.
Doline. No doyin.
Doin. Doline.
No. Dolin. Doli.
Hmm? Ne okelo doline to akelo gacha.
Gacha. Not gacha. Gacha.
Gacha.
Gacha.
It's basically the same thing. I don't see a difference.
No, it's the tonation. You have to say
Gacha.
gacha, not gacha.
Gacha.
Yes, gacha.
Mhm.
We can read a book or we can sing a song. Wanyalo wer. Wanyalo wer. Kata. Wanyalo somo. Book. I've twisted it front to back. Book is BUK.
Oh yeah.
Wanyalo wer. Kata. Wanyalo somo book. Can you say that?
Wanyalo we kata wanyalo somo book.
Wanyalo wer. Say wer.
Wanyalo wer.
Wanyalo wer.
Wanyalo wer.
Kata wanyalo
Wer.
somo book.
Wer. Wer. Kata wanyalo somo book.
Good. He was tired, but he kept playing. Ne o ol o ol o l not o l e o ol. Ne o ol to
Mhm.
to ne o the o the 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 that is te. The that is T.
Okay.
Yes. No, that is the. The. Yes. Ne o ol to ne odhi nyime kod tugo. Ne odhi nyime kod tugo. Yes. Number
Ne- okay.
14.
Mhm.
Asetieko. Asetieko tij dala.
Hmm?
Asetieko tij dala. Tij. T-I-J. Tij.
Hmm.
Yes. Tij dala. Koro anyalo tugo. Asetieko tij dala. Koro anyalo tugo. Can you read that?
Asetieko tij dala koro anyalo tugo.
Good. Now the last one. The sun is out and the sky is blue. Chieng osewuok. Wuok, not walk. Wuok. Chieng osewuok. Wuok. Wuok. No, wuok. Now that's work.
Hmm?
Wuok. Woo, woo, ok. Woo, ok. Yes, they remove the K. Remove the E. The E, yeah. Chieng osewuok.
Mhm.
Koro. Not koro, not koro. To, polo,
Hmm?
polo, polo, en ratiglo. Yes, chieng osewuok to polo en ratiglo. Can you
Chieng osewuok to polo en ratiglo.
yes, chieng osewuok to polo en ratiglo. So let's quickly go through them starting from number 1. Just say the Luo, read the Luo from number 1.
Ish, this is gonna take a long time to
No,
pronounce.
no, no, no. Let's go. First one.
Mhm. Ahero machunga to ahero rabolo.
Good. Next.
Nyako cha ringo to wuoyi cha wuto.
Change the woi, the E is an I. Woi.
Mhm.
Say that again.
Nyako cha ringo to wuoyi cha wuto.
Good. The third one.
Wanyalo di e pap kata wanyalo dong dala.
Correct. Fourth.
Koth chiwe koro wabiro tugo e ot.
A ot.
Ei ot.
Say all of it.
Koth chwe koro wabiro tugo e ot.
Correct. The fifth.
Wuoyi omor nikech oyudo gir tugo.
Correct. Number six.
Nyambura nindo to guok gueyo.
Again.
Nyambura nindo to guok gueyo.
Correct. Number seven.
Adwaro pi machunga to wan mana kod chak.
Good. Number eight.
Inyalo goro pita kata inyalo buko katalas.
Kalatas.
Kalatas. Inyalo goro pita kata inyalo buko katalas.
Kalatas.
Can we just skip?
All right. Number nine.
Okay. Ne gitugo oko bange ne gichamo chiemb sa awuchie.
Good. Number 10.
Ne aneno winyo bange ne akawo picha ne.
Correct. Number 11.
Ne okelo doli ne to akelo gacha.
Gotcha.
Gacha.
Yes. Number 12.
Wanyalo wer kata wanyalo somo book.
Good. Number 13.
Ne o ol to no to not
Mhm.
to. Ne o ol to ne odi nime kotugo.
Good. Number 14.
Asit tieko tij dala koro anyalo tugo.
Good. And the last one.
Chieng osewok to polo en ratiglo.
Say that again.
Chieng osewok to polo en
What? No,
ratiglo.
no, no. You messed up. Say it slowly.
Chieng osewok
Ose.
osewok chieng osewok to polo en ratiglo.
Good job. So, can you now just say goodbye to the viewers?
Mm-hmm. Remember to like and subscribe for more contents like this, and also make sure to look at our other videos if you need tutorials on that. Now, I'll just say Oriti, goodbye.
Goodbye, everybody.
Okay, bye.
Bye.